A lot of people have poor health outcomes, not because they're not eating, but because the food that they have access to actually is contributing to those negative social determinants of health.
When we're talking about nutrition and health, just in my observation and in even listening to other doctors speak on the topic, we forget that our brain is connected to the rest of our body.
So a reconciliation service is the core of what we do is not just handing things out. It's really not just about giving away food. That is a means of building relationship where we then have the privilege to be able to walk with somebody who's going through a mental health crisis. We also use the food to address the social determinants of health that actually can prevent or reduce mental health symptoms.
A Western diet or standard American diet, which we know is a more highly refined, highly processed, or ultra processed, would be more highly associated with depression, whereas a Mediterranean diet, which I think is a proxy for just like a whole foods diet, there's lots of research to suggest that there's lower rates of depression in people who would follow more of that type of a pattern.
About 70% of the people that came in last year were food insecure. And during the time of the COVID pandemic, we saw a real spike in need, not just in need for food, but actually in nutritional insecurity.
When people have food insecurity, they have more stress. They're going to have less well-being.
Look, food is medicine. It's a part of our mental health. It's a part of our bodily health. And if you don't have access to the food that you need, you're not going to have the kind of healthy life that you can have. So at Thelma's Kitchen, we decided that we wanted to have vegetarian and vegan and even specialty options available for people. You can't do that while you're eating at a food pantry very easily.
All their food is awesome. Their chef salad, it's huge.
So we're a donate what you can model. You can come to the window and donate a minimum of $3, or you can donate the full suggested price for a box lunch, which is $11. You can even buy tokens that pay it forward for somebody else who doesn't have any money that day. We want to not just be Midwestern nice, but we actually want to go beyond that and take care of one another. And Thelma's Kitchen and all of the operations here at Reconciliation Services are open to people in the community, not only to come and to eat, but also to come and volunteer.